Does your diesel engine suddenly feel weak, like it's running out of breath? Maybe it struggles on hills, hesitates when overtaking, or just doesn't have the power it used to. You're not imagining it. There are real reasons your diesel engine is losing power. In this video, we're diving deep into the most common causes of a diesel engine to lose power and how to fix them before they leave you stranded. Stick until the end because reason number 1 is the most common one. Let's dive in. Reason number 7. Clogged fuel filter. Diesel engines depend heavily on a steady and clean flow of fuel, and the fuel filter plays a vital role in removing dirt, rust, and debris. A clogged fuel filter is one of the most common reasons for diesel power loss. Diesel fuel isn't always clean, and over time, impurities, debris, or even microbial sludge can clog your filter. When this happens, fuel can't reach your engine at the right pressure, which strangles its performance. You'll notice sluggish acceleration, poor idle, or even complete engine shutdown. It is recommended to replace your fuel filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles to keep your system clean. Reason number 6. Using poor quality fuel. Using poor quality diesel is like feeding junk food to an athlete. It ruins performance over time. Many drivers think all diesel is the same, but that's far from true. Low-grade fuel can contain excess sulfur, water, or even microbial growth that clogs injectors, corrodes fuel lines, and leads to incomplete combustion. You'll start noticing rough idling, harder starts in cold weather, and a significant drop in engine power. Therefore, it is always recommended to fuel up at reputable stations. In a diesel engine, the quality of fuel directly impacts power output, efficiency, and engine life. So don't gamble with cheap diesel. Reason number 5. Failing turbocharger. The turbocharger is like the muscle behind your diesel engine's power surge. It forces extra air into the combustion chamber so more fuel can be burned efficiently, giving you that strong, satisfying pull when you accelerate. But when the turbo starts to fail, everything changes. Suddenly, your engine feels sluggish, especially when climbing hills or towing a heavy load. You might hear a high-pitched whining noise, see thick black smoke, or notice oil leaking near the turbo housing. A drop in boost pressure means the engine can't generate the power it's designed for, leading to limp mode or poor fuel economy. Want to keep that turbo spinning strong? Stick to regular oil changes with the correct, high-quality oil. It's one of the simplest and most effective ways to protect your turbo and avoid a costly breakdown. Reason number 4. Clogged air filter. Air is as important as fuel for your diesel engine. The air filter plays a vital role to ensure proper supply of clean air to the combustion chamber. If your air filter is clogged with dust, bugs, or debris, the engine can't breathe properly. Less air means poor combustion, lower efficiency, and sluggish performance. You might notice your engine struggling to climb hills, belching more black smoke, or hesitating when you press the throttle. Thankfully, replacing an air filter is one of the cheapest and easiest maintenance tasks you can do yourself at home. You should check your air filters every 10,000 to 15,000 miles or sooner if you drive in dusty or dirty environments. A simple $20 filter can prevent hundreds of dollars in repairs down the line. Reason number 3. Faulty fuel injectors. Fuel injectors are responsible for delivering atomized diesel into each cylinder with precise timing and pressure. If they become clogged with carbon, leak fuel, or fail electronically, you'll see a sharp drop in performance and fuel economy. Power loss is often accompanied by knocking sounds, uneven idling, or engine misfires. Faulty injectors can also lead to unburnt fuel entering the exhaust system, which can damage the DPF or catalytic converter. Modern common rail injectors operate at extremely high pressures, sometimes over 30,000 psi. That's why even microscopic dirt can affect them. Using low-quality fuel or skipping fuel filter changes drastically shortens their life. Cleaning or replacing injectors can restore lost power, but it's best to prevent the issue by using high-quality diesel and additives that clean the fuel system. Reason number 2. Dirty or faulty mass airflow sensor. The MAF sensor plays a huge role in diesel performance. It's the brain behind your engine's air-fuel balance. It tells your engine how much air is coming in so it knows how much fuel to inject. But when that sensor gets dirty or starts feeding bad data, everything goes downhill fast. Your engine might hesitate when you hit the gas, feel sluggish, and poor acceleration. Want a fix? Clean your MAF sensor with MAF Safe Spray, or if it's damaged, replacement can transform your engine performance. It's one of the easiest ways to make your diesel feel like new again. Reason 1. Vacuum or boost leaks. In turbocharged diesel engines, maintaining boost pressure is essential for delivering power. A small crack in a boost hose, a worn-out intercooler seal, or a loose clamp can cause a leak. This leads to air escaping before it reaches the cylinders, resulting in poor combustion and reduced engine output. Even a minor vacuum leak can confuse the ECU and trigger engine warning lights or limp mode. These leaks can be hard to spot without a smoke test, but they're usually easy and cheap to fix once identified. Always inspect hoses and clamps regularly, especially if you notice a drop in turbo response or unusual sounds under the hood. That's all for this video. Power loss in a diesel engine isn't just annoying, it's a warning sign. Ignoring it can mean bigger breakdowns, bigger bills, and shorter engine life. Drop a comment with what symptoms your diesel is showing, and we'll help you troubleshoot. See you in the next video.